In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a app install campaigns in Google AdWords. So first of all, log in to the official website of google.com or adsdoodle.com and log into your account. And then on the upper left corner, you will see there a create button. So click on that, click the blue plus new campaign or this plus create button. Click campaign, and in here you can skip this page, and now in here you'll need to choose for your objective. So since we're creating a app install campaigns, you'll need to select the app, then make sure it's app install, and then the Android or iOS, it's up to you. And then in here you'll need a URL or package name or publisher or Play Store URL that you can paste it in here. So make sure you have it first. So assuming we've finished this page or this process, you will be redirecting to the set budget and bidding page. So in there, you'll need to enter your daily budget and bidding strategy. So you can choose a maximize conversions or a set target cost per install. And then after that, define your targeting, choose your campaign locations and languages, let Google optimize placements across search, display, YouTube, and Play Store, and then add at least 2 headlines, a description, and upload images, videos, or HTML5 assets. So Google will automatically generate ads based on your content and show them in places with the highest performance. After that, you'll need to review your settings, assets, and budget. So once everything looks good, click publish campaign. And just like that, your app install is live. So track installs, optimize bids, and keep testing creatives to get the best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.